Hey guys, so we are finally home, and well, this is not my home. We end up having to leave our apartment, our home, since we came, because there was actually mold in our place. Canada, there was a heat wave for the last couple of days, and we end up having, when we got home, our place was a disaster. So we had an emergency evacuation from our apartment. So our landlord ended up having to put us up in a hotel. So currently we are in a hotel, a wee little one. I wish this one actually had a stove, a kitchen, but this one doesn't. So we are here for a couple of nights, and hopefully they can get the place cleaned up so we can go back home. So currently we're just in the hotel for now, which this is where the kids will be going from school. I'll be leaving from school. My husband will be leaving from work and coming back. So I just thought I would update you guys. And yes, on Friday I actually had my first day of class, which was, hold on, let me just turn this TV down. I went to school my first day on Friday. We had classes for 2 hours. It was just more like introduction to the course, what we will be doing, and the teacher, and just getting to know our peers, or teacher getting to know us as well. So there wasn't that much, and basically we just end up having to come home, try and get our vehicle on the road, because there was some stuff that had to get done to it. And yeah, so pretty much from Friday, today's now Sunday, we have been in hotel. We're gonna be here for a few more days. I'm not sure. We're gonna try and put us in an Airbnb because they said the place is gonna take some time. So the place is gonna take some time for them to get it sorted out. See how long that's gonna take. If that's gonna be the case, then we might end up having to have an emergency. We might end up having to move to a different apartment. So, but I kind of like my little place where we are right now. It's cozy for now, and it's where we call home. So, but for now, we're just gonna see how things go, and just gotta go with the flow, and just, thank God that all of us, we are all healthy, nothing's wrong with us, and we're able to continue our daily lives, do what we have to do. So I just kind of wanted to update you guys on that. I'll keep you guys posted. Have any questions or comments, just leave them below. I would love to actually get to know you guys better, and for you guys to get to know me better. So if you do have any questions, you can actually just put them in the comment below. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for you to see more videos. And if you guys wanted to see more different things pertaining to my life, you can let me know like what you guys want to see, what videos that you guys want me to do, and I can see if I can let that happen. I could do more hair videos, or on my natural hair I could do those, or maybe a wig tutorial. So yeah, so if you guys would like to see more videos like that, don't hesitate to send me a message and let me know. I do actually check my comments, and anybody send me a message, whether it's on YouTube, I do respond to them as quickly as possible. When I do see them, I do respond. Or if I am on Snapchat, I do respond to those ones even much faster. Mostly on Snap, I respond more faster on Snap than any other social media. So right now we're just trying to get the kids them ready for like school, because they have school tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. I'm just getting ready for school. It's gonna be a long day, long day. I'm at school till 6. I just finished having breakfast. So for an update, guys, yes, we are finally back home in our place. No more hotel. We were there for a couple of days, just until they cleared everything up. Oh man, I really need to get my hair done. Yeah, so it's going to be a long day today. I'm just drinking my ginger tea. So I'll end up doing some shopping after school because we still need to get the place stocked up and get some groceries done. So hopefully I can take you guys along, get that done. So I will get back to you guys in a bit. Guys, so it's been a long day today. I've been sick. I have no makeup on. I look like crap, but don't mind me. We're actually just heading out to go get some shopping done. We'll go get some shopping done. It's still nice and bright outside, which is great. Sit in the front. You're not sitting in the front of the car. Put on your shoes properly. So, I'll just bring you guys along with you. Hello. Get out. Where me and I driving in the front? You driving in the front the other day. Take yourself and go in the back. Hello. Come out. Memphis, come on, man. Listen. Where the bike is supposed to go, and that's where you guys put it.
Memphis says he doesn't even allow me.
You pass it on yourself. What are you listening to?
Yes,
That look like a hot mess. Gosh. I look horrible. Oh my god. Yeah, leave the doors open. Just leave it. It's fine. I'm coughing up a storm. See what happens? You leave Jamaica and come back and end up sick. And come back into Canada. Now I am sick with a cold. My first week of school was just hectic because I missed a couple of days. My skin's breaking. Oh god. Oh, we are at Walmart. Oh. You alright, sir? Huh?
I'm just copying.
Oh, no, come across the road. Let's go. What are you doing? I need a cart.
Coffee.
Give me, I got one already. I'll take this one. Take the hoodie off your head. Good, how are you? I'm okay. That's good. Yeah, put it. Hello.
One of this, and one of this. How much is for this anyway?
You can get one of each color.
Really?
It sucks.
Oh my god.
Logging. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just doing some shopping.
Sound like some sassy one. Oh, and the blue one. Where's the purple one?
Yeah. Blue one.
Oh yeah.
You guys didn't like the what is it? The raspberry, the blue.
We already have some of those.
You don't like the blue raspberry?
We already have some. $3. Remember.
Okay. Pick up. And you go to the
Where's
bathroom.
I know where it is.
It's down there by the bicycle.
Okay.
So take her. So it's all the way down there, Faith. Just walk all the way to the end and go that way towards the bicycles.
$3.
If you go on.
Those are Chinese.
Hey, mister.
Are you gonna? I'm not getting pictures.
Huh?
I'm not getting pictures.
What are you looking for? The sugar? Maybe it's in the... You have to look on the thing. Look up there. You guys are just crazy. Ever playing in the store. Oh Lord. Well, of course, the kids are in here acting a fool. I look like you'll be wasting things. Who's neck you gonna break? You're funny.
Six. Like 6 of them per 2.
You can pick
2
up.
for 6.
I want this one.
No, these taste nice.
So you can take a pick one of them
Yeah.
and then one of the other. Memphis, stop
Mommy.
doing that.
Mommy, it's 2 for 6.
Yes.
Oh.
So, but you already
Risha
picked up
already-
two. I'm gonna put them down.
This, you know, that's
No, put them down. Hello.
yeah,
What
put
I
one
want.
pack.
So aren't you getting one pack of that?
No.
Mommy, how comes it's 3? Isn't it 1?
Just 2 for 6 and one pack of that.
How do we make it go?
These are bigger, but there's only 6 that comes in these. The other ones, those are 12. I want the one that says extra butter. Oh, extra. Hello, you guys. You need to be careful.
Prevent if I drop them also for wide.
It smells so nice in here. I love this oil. I love the smell of cleaning supplies. Where are you going? You gotta go down there. I gotta get these stuff.
Hot dogs. Max in 1.
Yeah, I gotta get the laundry soap. Pick up one of those. Don't. Can you stop doing that, please? Could you pick up the gain? Stop giving talking.
I'm going back. That was so much fun.
Put it down. Which one do you want? Just one?
I'm gonna
Yeah.
3 for 5.
Yeah, just get the one for now. You know, you guys give a lot of talking. Should have left y'all at home.
At home, I would be on. I'd just be.
17.
My eyes would be fixed and I'd be.
Okay.
Island fresh. Hello, could you guys stop?
It's gonna shop
We
bigger.
usually get way more groceries
3
than
of them and
this.
they have the same bug in it.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Arisa, come on.
Isn't it good to eat bug? Come. Here, you guys take this. White potato. Get the yellow one. Oh, stuffed up. They're starting to put out turkeys for Thanksgiving already. Oh my goodness. Want to get one of these? So let's Oh, you're disgusting.
Oh man.
Oh, we are all.
That dude. That
We are finished grocery shopping. Oh, it's like 2.5 hours later.
the one that third.
Walking out the cart extra full. Gosh.
Oh my god.
Hennessy Halloween. I'm ready for it. Memphis, push the cart, please. Oh, thing's heavy.
You see what I get me by and I joke. No, I said no. Don't say no. This is a circle now, but I get
You're learning. Well, now it's totally dark out here. You are learning. Babe, you're gonna open up a supermarket? See, you look like you're going to open up a supermarket.
Just put the square in three front and use the front wheel.
And so we're actually heading home now. Let me get my seatbelt on. Make sure you all have your seatbelt on back there.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Shopping with 3 children. Mr. Quiet. You okay? Yeah.
pills, my head is still like, because every time I cough, I find that my head just feels like it's getting worse. I need to go sleep it off. I'll sleep it off. My head hurts. Well, we're just on our way home. I will check back in with you guys when we reach. We are back home. Finished grocery shopping. Oh, it was just hectic, and I got a headache for days. So, show you guys all the bunch of stuff that we got. All this grocery got to get packed out and stuff. So, just gonna get to it and pack it out.
Oh my lord. We're just heading into town. Our last, what is it, last 2 days? Left on the island.